Good morning, learners. Welcome to today's math lesson. And as I promised you today, we are going to begin volume and capacity. We are going to see how these two are related. Now, in the work that I've given earlier on, there was a question number 4 that said the radius of a cylinder is 31.5 centimeter. What is the area of the cross section of the cylinder? The radius of a cylinder, we calculate it here. Number 4. The radius of a cylinder. The radius of a cylinder is 31.5 centimeter. And what is the area? What is the area of the cross section? The area of the cross section of the cylinder. And then number B says if its volume is 31,185 cubic centimeters. What is the height of the cylinder? What is the height? What's the height of the cylinder? So this is very, very important, learner. Remember what I told you, that the area of a cross section of a cylinder is the area of that circular part. So if you draw that circular part, you realize that the radius of that circular part is 31.5. So in this case, we want to just get area of a circle. How do you get area of a circle? Because that area of the circle is the area of the cross section. So area of a circle is given by pi r squared. And therefore, our area is going to be 22/7. The radius is going to be 31.5. And therefore, that 1.5 pi r squared, radius times radius, square r squared is r times r. So by 7, 1 by 7, 4 for 28, 35, 4.5. So you get that 22 times 45, 0, 11, is going to be 8, 8, 0, 9, 99, 1 decimal place, so it will be 99. Then that 315 times 99, 5, 3, 28, 5, 3, 28. That's going to be 5, 8, 1, 1, 3. Then 1 decimal place, so 3118.5 centimeters squared. So in this case, our answer is going to be 311. So 3,118.5 centimeters squared. Because we are looking for area, cross section area. Then, if the volume is given as this, what is the height of the cylinder? Now we begin to say volume is calculated by, because here we have already cross sectional area. So sectional area times height. So in this case, the volume is given. I told you what is given right there, 1185 is equivalent to cross sectional area 3118.5 centimeters squared times the height which you are not given, because the height is not given. That's what we're looking for. This is going to give you 3118.5. 8 is going to be 31185. Divide by 3118.5. Divide by 311.8.5. This is going to cancel. You're going to make 8 is equal to, by this time 3,118.5, one time is going to be 10. So our height is going to be 10 centimeters. Our height is going to be 10 centimeters. The reason why it's going to be 10 times is because this one here is going to be 31185 over 311.8.5. To remove this decimal point, we're going to multiply both sides by 10. So that if you're multiplying with zeros, the decimal point moves forward. So this is going to be 311850 over. This has moved from this to here. So it becomes 31185. So by 31185, one time, then you remain with this 0 and add there, become 10. So that is exactly what we are supposed to do in that particular question. Now, we want to move on to something else. That is the measurements, that is volume and capacity. And I'm going to explain the relationship between the two, the volume and the capacity. If, for example, you are going to be given a cube, which is 1 meter. A cube, given a cube like this, and it's going to be, the cube is going to be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and then 1 centimeter. So meaning that its volume is going to be 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter times 1 centimeter. And therefore the volume is going to be 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter. If then the capacity of that container is going to be, if you are given now that this stands to be 10 centimeters, that is going to give you 1000 cubic centimeters. So I want to give you the relationship. One, we're talking about volume and capacity. Volume, remember volume is given in cubic centimeters or cubic meters. That is how we give volume. Then capacity is either going to be given in ml, in dl, as liters, going to also be given in liters. So all these are the units for capacity. So we're going to say 1 liter. If you have 1 liter, that is capacity. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Then 1 liter also is equal to 1000 ml. And then, of course, 1 liter is also going to be 10 deciliters. And so also 1 ml is also going to be 1 cubic centimeters. So these are the units for volume and capacity, the relationship. The reason why 1 ml is 1 cubic centimeter because 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. You have said 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. So if you look at this, you simplify this one, we're going to give you 1 ml is equal to 1 cubic centimeter. So now in this case, we are required to convert units of volume into capacity and capacity into volume. So I'm going to give you a few examples before I give you some work to do. Like for example, convert into liters. Convert into liters. So you have 1650 cubic centimeters. So now what you do, you are given this to convert to liters, you look for the relationship that is based on cubic centimeters and liters. This first one, you say 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeters. What about 1650 cubic centimeters is how many liters? So you are cross multiplying. 1650 cubic centimeters times 1 liter over 1000 cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters will cancel, 10 will cancel, and you remain with 165 over 100. But the units are going to be liters. So remember what I told you, when you're dividing with zeros, the decimal point moves to the left 1, 2 times because there are no zeros. I'm going to give you 1.65 liters as your answer. 1.65 liters as your answer. Meaning that if you are converting cubic centimeters to liters, you simply divide by 1,000. You can also have another one. It can be given a container measures, let me write it here. A container measures question. A container measures, or odds 105 ml or some ml of water. Full stop. What is the volume of the water in cubic centimeters? What is the volume of water in cubic centimeters? Cubic centimeters that means centimeters cubed, in other words. So if a container has 105 ml, so you go for the relationship that is between ml and cubic centimeter. And I say 1 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 ml. So you say if 1 cubic centimeter is 1 ml, what about 1.5 ml? Is how many cubic centimeters? So you multiply like that. 1.5 ml times 1 cubic centimeter over 1 ml. ml and ml will cancel. Your answer is 1.5 cubic centimeters. Simple as that. So now you must follow the formula. You must follow the measurements I've given you for you to be able to get that question. The next one, learner, I'm going to give you before I call it a day. It's going to be a bucket has 5.6 liters of liquid. Bucket has 5.6 liters of liquid. Another question. A bucket has 5.6 liters of liquid. One liquid. The question is, what is the volume of the liquid in cubic centimeters? What is the volume of the liquid in cubic centimeters? So in this case, learner, you realize that you are supposed to convert 5.6 liters into centimeters cubed. So that's the question. So you say 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cubic centimeters. What about 5.6 liters? Is how many cubics? Look at where I'm writing my liters. My liters should be where we have liters. So that you get 5.6, now you cross multiply. 5.6 liters times 1,000 cubic centimeters over 1 liter. Liter and liter will cancel. You remain with 5.6 times 1,000 centimeters cubed. 1 0, we remove this decimal point. So that number becomes 56. Then you add 1 2 zeros. And this, the answer is going to have the units cubic centimeter. So 5,600 cubic centimeters is your answer. So I want you to attempt exercise 88 and ensure that you do exactly what I've said. Use the relationship that I've given you to be able to come up with the answers to those questions. So exercise 88. That is on page 145, 146. 145, 146. Numbers 1 to 14. That is the work that I want you to attempt. Do the work well. Ensure that you read the questions, get them clear, and remember to write the correct units. After multiplying or dividing, write the correct units in the question. So until next time, learner, I want to wish you well. Have a very busy day ahead. Ensure that you do the work and forward to me for marking. Have a blessed day.